All right, another beautiful morning in Quartzite. I think today I'm gonna do some exploring on the motorcycle and I'll see what I find, and if I find anything interesting, I'll bring you guys along and show you too. This is pretty cool. I just spotted it off the side of the road. Obviously there's an attempt being made to save this cactus. Kind of gives you an idea of how important they are. You know, that it's worth going through the trouble to try to save them and maintain them. Out filming my motorcycle adventure video and got a call that someone needed some help, so I quit what I was doing and I came over here to the tent rock area, and I'll show you what I did. Tarps up, and I moved all these pallets of rocks, which, you know, doesn't look real hard, but they were very heavy, and even with two people I got a workout. When you haven't done anything too physical in the last 10 years at your job, it doesn't take much to feel like a real workout. But that's what I did for today. Back to filming my motorcycle adventure video. You probably can't see it, but that camper up there says Almost Willie. He's a Willie Nelson impersonator that's going to be performing here tonight. That's pretty cool. I'd like to go to that. Okay, so I am just west of Quartzite on Dome Rock Road, and this is 14-day free camping all the way out here. There's a ton of open spots here. It's got a really nice view. I would definitely camp here. I mean, I like where I'm at, and I got some services, but for free camping, this is great. Well, that concludes the motorcycle exploring day. The unexpected work in there in the middle, kind of, yeah, well, it was unexpected work, but it's all good. It's all good. It's good to work once in a while, especially doing something physical. That's it. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna go do some editing, and I'll see you later. Bye.